Sabi nila, pag in love ka, tumitigil ang mundo mo. Bumibilis ang tibok ng puso mo. At...
Tabi!
Ah! Playboy!
A boy trying to find the answers.
Playboy? Playboy ang dati mo?
A girl trying to set things right.
Aha, at si Athena Dizon ang great love niya.
Together, they discover a love too great to die.
Matindi nga tong si Kinji eh. Itinuring niyang Rina si Athena. Oh, kapangalan mo pala?
Ibig mo sabihin naka-JF yan?
Mahal na yun. Kahit break na sila.
Papanggap ng girlfriend ko para pag sinusin sa...
Ano? Pa, si Kenji po, boyfriend ko.
Go 60, go 60, go 60, sexy love.
Okay na?
I never dream, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing.
Gusto ko nang itigil to. Kasi nagkatotoo na.
Totoo ang ano?
Totoo. Nagkugustuhan na kita.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was.
On its 20th year, Star Cinema proudly presents
Feeling seems to grow more every
an Odessa Angela film
love you more.
starring Jerwin Mahusay and Genevieve Slipar. In a story about one great love that will stand the test of time.
Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Dito kita papakasalan.
Sobrang pinasaya mo ako. Di kita makakalimutan habang buhay.
She's dating the playboy.